Journal entry. In this video, we will discuss how to enter journal entry in QuickBooks Online. You can select New button from this left side menu. Select Journal Entry. You can select the journal entry date. Journal entry number will automatically display in the screen. You can select Accounts from this drop-down menu. Enter the amount. You can enter description for this journal entry. If you want, you can link any contacts, customer or supplier. You can select tax rate. In next line, you can select credit entry. It will automatically display that credit amount. You can enter description. You can select contacts and you can select date or tax rates. After that, you can save your journal entry. Now, this journal entry has saved.